Hey everyone, John for Popeye's Postcards. Is it just me, or is eBay effing with the way labels are printing? I ship my orders, I pull my orders from the awaiting shipment screen, and I have it sorted by date paid, and this is how I pull my orders in order. For the last several days, when I have them all pulled in order, and like this is the order that they should print out, and historically they have printed out in order, so when I take my label off and I put it on the envelope, everything is in order. eBay has now started grouping all of the Ground Advantage labels, they're printing together, and then all my eBay standard envelopes are printing together. It's really it's really fucking annoying, eBay. Anybody else see this? Anybody know how to fix this? This is just another eBay issue that we're all going to have to deal with and overcome. eBay, quit fixing shit. This is John, the Postcard Curmudgeon. Let me know if you had any issues like this and what can I do to fix this crap.